Now, before we jump into this haul, guys, we must do one shout out. Yes, let's do a shout out. Let's shout out Margaret. Margaret decided to sign up with Coupon and Crystal's referral code, and I appreciate it so very much, Margaret. Thank you. You will now be taking your coupon into a whole nother level, okay? Let's jump into this haul. First rebate I decided to get, guys, was this right here, which is the Tate's Bake Shop Cookies, guys. I've looked at this rebate before and didn't do it because it was given $1 back, and I think they were like almost $4, so I was like, nah. But then when I seen them on clearance for $1, I was like, yeah, okay. So these were $1 in store, didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1. But I got $1 back from Ibotta, making these be absolutely free in my Walmart. So I hope you guys can find these. There is the SKU, okay? All right, let's move on with the rebates. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Pillsbury soft baked cookies, priced $2.98 in my Walmart. For this rebate, you must purchase 2 for a total of $5.96. There's no coupon, so I had to pay $5.96 in store, but it gave me back $2.98 from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.98 for the 2 packs. Great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Johnson & Johnson Cotton Touch Creamy Oil. This was priced $3.92 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.92 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.92 for the Johnson product. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Alba Botanicals body wash. This is a lavender scented body wash, and it smells really good, guys. Price $6.99 in my Walmart. There is a $2 coupon that was stuck on the product in the store, so make sure you grab that, making the cost in store $4.99. Now, there is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate, which is amazing. And you're going to scan and upload the receipt for Shopkick, which is going to give you back a total of $2.06. So with the $3.50 back from Ibotta and the $2.06 back from Shopkick, you're getting back a total of $5.56. But you only paid $4.99, which makes this be free and a 57-cent moneymaker. Love it. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Alba Lotion. They've got a lotion, guys, and it's $8.49 in my Walmart. I did use that $2 coupon, okay, making it be $6.49 in my Walmart. There is a $4.25 Ibotta rebate coming back, guys, making the final cost $2.24. Next was this product right here. This is by the same brand, the Alba Botanicals, guys, but the $2 coupon was not working with this, okay? So keep that in mind if you want to do this deal. I decided to do it anyway without the coupon, and I will tell you why in just a minute. This is a Acne Wash, okay? It was priced $6.22 in my Walmart. Didn't have that coupon, so I had to pay $6.22. But with the scan kicks and the receipt kicks, you're getting back 1,015 kicks from Shopkick, which is the equivalent of $4.06, guys. So even though the coupon didn't work, the final cost was $1.16. I don't think that's bad, guys, because I'm always trying to get some Shopkick, okay? Next deal is an amazing deal. It's a Shopkick deal, guys. Now, this is the Dove Protect or Care Protect. And this is the Dove Men Plus Care Skin Defense, okay? These are priced $5.94 each in my Walmart. I used a buy one and get one free coupon that's going to be in the 418 Unilever insert this coming Sunday. I get my coupons early, guys. So that made me only have to pay $5.94 in store for the 2. But it's an amazing Shopkick deal, guys, that when you purchase this one, and you purchase this one, you are going to get 375 kicks for this one, 375 kicks for this one, for a total of 750 kicks. And for purchasing the 2 together, you're going to get bonus kicks of 725, okay? Which is a total of 1,475 kicks. Amazing, guys. Which is $5.90 back, okay? So I only paid 4 cents for 2 Dove products. Great, great deal. Ooh, I hope that resets. Next rebate, guys, was on the Krispy Kreme bites, guys. Those crullers, those lemon flavor ones, woo, them third things was good, okay? They were so good. So I had to get these. These are $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.47. I know that's a low rebate, but it's worth it. It's good. It's food, and Crystal loves a good old snack. Next rebate, guys, was the Dunkin iced coffee. This time I got the s'mores flavor. This is a Girl Scout s'mores is what it's called. Price $2.28 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.78. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is priced $1.88 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.63 for the Coca-Cola. Next rebate I did, guys, was my V8 Splash again. This time I got Tropical, priced $1.84 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.84 in store. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.59. Now, these 2 rebates, I'm so glad it keeps resetting because it's a $2 rebate. This is the Kill Cliff Ignite. It's an energy drink, priced $2.78 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents for the energy drink. I don't even drink these drinks. I give them away, but it's a great way to get your money built up so you can cash out your $20, okay? Next one is the Kill Cliff Energize, price $2.78. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store. The $2 Ibotta rebate comes back, making the final cost only 78 cents. Next rebate was on the Ajax. This is a pretty good size. This is a 28 fluid ounce bottle, priced $1.67 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.67 in store. It's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.42 for the Ajax dishwashing liquid. Next rebate, I decided to get the green tea citrus. This is the Lipton tea. It's a 20 ounce bottle, priced $1.88 for the Lipton tea. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. It's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.38 for the Lipton tea. And I got another soda type product, which is the Fanta. The Fanta soda is priced $1.88 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. It's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.38, guys. And the last rebate, I decided to get my little Mandarin drinks again. These are priced 60 cents in my Walmart. For this rebate, you've got to purchase 5, which is a total of $3 is what I had to pay in store. Didn't have a coupon, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost be $2 for the 5 sodas. All right, lovely people, let's go over the numbers. Of course, I always pay with Ibotta money and Shopkick, okay? Total of everything, I actually did 3 transactions at self-checkout. Yes, I did. $72.98 was the total of this whole haul, guys. I had $9.94 in coupons, and I used $10 worth of Shopkick. That dropped my cost in store to $53.04. Now, the rebates back from Ibotta was $21.48. In bonuses, I got back $12. Let me tell you the bonuses. $5 for the April showers, $5 for the milestone, $1 for the Alba Botanicals and Celestial Seasonings bonus. That was a combination bonus. And $1 bonus for my April level 2. Yes. Then I got back $12.02 back from Shopkick. Come through, Shopkick. Made my final cost be $7.54 for 24 items. That's 32 cents an item. Amazing deal, guys. I got more money I can go coupon with. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope it's going to give you some ideas and some rebates and combinations that you can do, guys, to take your coupon into a whole nother level with Shopkick, okay? I haven't even scanned my receipts to Fetch, guys. So I don't know what I'm going to get from Fetch, but make sure that you do scan your receipts to Fetch, okay? So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give Couponing Crystal a thumbs up, please. If you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, and I would love for you to be a part of, will you please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when I'm on here. Want to do a live, want to chit chat, want to say hey, say hi, okay? Or just want to talk to you guys, all right? I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed Friday Junior, because tomorrow is Friday and Crystal is ready for it, okay? Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.